Best deals. 1. Kadai. High quality cast material heats quickly, evenly and retains heat longer. Uni-body one-piece design free of any screws or weld joints. It can be used for deep frying, roasting, baking. Suitable for all cooktops including induction. Comes with 2 canvas grips for easy handling. Season the kadai before use to give it a non-stick property and prevent the food from sticking in the cast iron kadai. Product link is given in the first link. 2. Bag hanger. Crafted from top-grade aluminum alloy, this ring-shaped folding removable hanger ensures durability and strength. Its robust construction ensures it can reliably support a variety of bags, including backpacks, purses, and wallets. The folding women handbag holder keeps your bag clean and you don't need to put the bag on the dirty floor or in a crowded chair. You can just hang your purse right next to you, keeps it in your sight, which will be more safe. Product link is given in the second link. 3. Flat mop. Effortlessly squeezes itself, making excess water a thing of the past. Experience the joy of hands-free squeezing, turning your cleaning routine into a delightful dance rather than a chore. This is a versatile cleaning tool that combines the advantages of a water spray, scuzzing and a flat mop. Mop adapts to every surface, marble, tiles, glass, wood, or concrete. The slim design helps to use mop into tight spaces. With best-in-class clearance of 5 cm, it can go under sofa, near all corners and other tight spaces, giving best satisfaction of thorough and versatile cleaning. The toothbrush-style scraper helps to clear hairs, dirt, and small dust particles with precision. With inbuilt liquid storage, Minute Cleanit Spray Mop empowers you to personalize your cleaning solution. Imagine a mop that sprays exactly what you need, where you need it. You can add glass cleaner for cleaning glass, floor cleaner liquid, hand wash for removing oil, or even an essential oil and water for giving an awesome fragrance in your home. Product link is given in the third link. 4. Steel pan. The magnetic grade stainless steel exterior makes this frying pan compatible with all stovetops, including induction. Scratch and rust resistant finish with a riveted stainless steel handle ensures everyday durability. Product link is given in the fourth link. 5. Blender. 40W motor with 10 stainless steel blades delivers consistent smoothies, shakes, and juices in just 40 seconds. Auto stop feature ensures safety and convenience. Lightweight 340 ml bottle with USB-C charging, 2 to 4H, giving you quick access to fresh blends on the go, at gym, work, or while traveling. Made from food-grade PC plus ABS and high-grade 304 stainless steel. BPA-free, leak-proof, and built for everyday household use. Simple to use and clean, double-click to start, shake to mix, and enjoy. Auto stops after 40 seconds. Comes apart easily for thorough cleaning, safe to add water and run. Sleek, modern design available in neutral white. Product link is given in the fifth link. 6. Pastry tools. Ideal tool for making murukku, chakli, save, ghatia and more. Convenient design and extremely easy to operate. Handles are specifically designed to provide firm, easy and comfortable grip. Enables you to quickly and easily produce a variety of attractively shaped biscuits. Handles are specifically designed to provide firm, easy and comfortable grip. Product link is given in the sixth link. 7. Whisker. Its sturdy frame handles frequent frothing without wear. Built for consistent output, it's ideal for routines that require durability. The motor also supports blending different textures and consistencies, making it effective as a coffee blender electric. Product link is given in the seventh link. 8. Coffee maker. Crafted in Italy and known worldwide for delivering authentic Italian espresso at home. Designed in 1933 by Alfonso Bialetti, it features the iconic little man with the mustache, symbolizing true Italian coffee culture. Made with high-quality aluminum, this mocha pot ensures long-lasting performance. Comes with an ergonomic heat-resistant handle for comfortable grip. Compatible with gas and electric stovetops, and works on induction with the Bialetti induction plate. Product link is given in the 8th link. 9. Gloves. Dense brush can help to create more foam, also can help to increase friction force, take it to clean anywhere with ease, and with soft brush, you don't need to worry damaging something you wash. Gloves adapt ergonomics design, there are non-slip stripes in the gloves. Different people with different sizes can use it. Product link is given in the 9th link. 10. Dumpling press. Flower-shaped Bozy Maker machine is made of food-grade ABS material, which is not only sturdy and not easy to be damaged, but also ensures the safety of the ingredients, allowing you to use it with peace of mind. Create beautiful flower-shaped buns effortlessly with this user-friendly bun maker. Product link is given in the 10th link. 11. Tray. Allows you to put everything coffee, snacks, remote, phone, you need within arm's distance as you sink into your sofa and enjoy movies or live sports. Protect your sofa fabric, leather from possible stain from spillage by using Smile Drive teak wood tray. Put your drinks on the premium wood arm tray with the safety of mind. Premium quality repurposed teak is used to make this sofa armrest mat. Foldable design makes it easy to store. Carry it with you on your picnics or outings. Simply place the mat on flat arm sofas or keep it on the cushion for sofas that have round arms, provides a stable, flat surface for your lounging needs. This sofa arm tray works perfectly as a sofa side arm wooden cover, protecting your furniture from spills while keeping snacks and remotes within reach. Featuring a premium slatted wooden mat construction, this wooden flexible tray for sofa contours effortlessly to any shape. Whether your furniture has a square edge or a sofa tray armrest round, it grips securely and stays in place. Product link is given in the 11th link. 12. Tissue box. Is made of high-quality eco-friendly plastic, no strange odor, lightweight and exquisite. The large opening makes it easy and smooth to take out the tissues. Product link is given in the 12th link. 13. Water dispenser. Is equipped with innovative double pump technology that enables 2x faster dispensing. Say goodbye to waiting, as it can effortlessly dispense 1 liter of water in just 20 seconds, offering a faster, smoother, and more efficient hydration solution for your busy family. Powered by a built-in rechargeable 1200 mAh lithium battery, our water dispenser provides long-lasting service. Once fully charged, it can dispense water for up to 1 month or 6 to 8 cans of 20 liters, minimizing charging hassles for busy moms. Designed to fit cans with a 2.16-inch, 5.5 centimeters neck, this water pump is a perfect match for most water cans out there. Easy installation, easy use, designed keeping busy moms in mind. Product link is given in the 13th link. 14. Ice cube tray. Makes 56 square ice cubes in a convenient 2-layer design for efficient freezer storage and easy access. Features a flexible silicone construction that allows for effortless ice cube removal without struggling or banging. Includes a secure fitting lid to prevent spills during filling and protect ice from freezer odors. Constructed from durable, BPA-free materials ensuring safe and reliable ice production. Stackable 2-tier configuration maximizes freezer space while providing ample ice cube storage. Product link is given in the 14th link.